So here we are. It's Sunday morning. It's about 7 a.m. Colorado time. We were just leaving Array, and we are headed going to go to Moab, Utah. We have decided yesterday that after we had run all the Badge of Honor trails we could here in Colorado, in the Array area, that we were gonna go ahead and head out. And since Poughkeepsie Gulch is still closed, couldn't do that one. We're headed off to do Moab, top of the world. Great trails, beautiful scenery, a lot of great times with good people, great people, and it'll be interesting. So Moab was sort of the thing that when I decided I wanted a Jeep, I said, that's sort of the mecca of Jeeping from what I understand, sort of my bucket list. Might not get to do all 10, but hey, being able to go over there today and do the one makes me feel like I'll be on top of the world. Bye-bye Colorado, Moab, Utah, here we come. My wildest dreams thought that I'd be in Moab in the first 2, 3, maybe even 5 years of owning my Jeep without doing something stupid. But then again, everything's about passion, drive, and what you decide is important to you. And I'm really glad that decided to take this trip with these guys. I'm glad they asked. High center back there. Here is Mr. Wyborn, working to winch himself off that rock, winch himself over that little ledge. A little bit of pull. Oh. Good?
There you go. You're down.
Easy on this side. Real slow. You're clear.
Okay.
Very nice. Ted is building a huge step for him. Here goes that drop. Oh boy.
Nice and slow. Straighten out. Okay.
Wow.
You're down.
Holy shit. Look at that lean. Holy shit. This means I gotta do this too. Oh boy.
Nice and slow. Okay, let me get by you.
So it's like I'm there, but I'm not.
Alright, give me a minute here. I gotta set the phone down.
Okay.
I'm not real sure where the edge is. I don't... Oh my god, this is like flipping me out. I can't see anything over the front. Towards you?
Back up, Phil.
I got someone yelling me back up. I got someone else telling me to come towards them.
line looks a little bit better. You got rocks stacked up.
Right?
Correct.
I'm too far back to see lines yet, so I'm trying to keep up with you guys so I can see somebody's line.
Do you need to slow down?
No, I'm just trying to stay in range. I can see somebody, but
You got that line, Phil?
I think so. Or my pumpkin found a different line, but whatever.
Slide over a little bit, did you?
Yeah, I think it slid because, boy, it hammered hard. It hit. Man, it's made me thirsty. Probably because of the nervousness. Degree pitch, 16-degree roll. Yeah. Piece of cake for these things.
Yeah,
Right?
man, I gotta pop my fender back in.